Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to study chapter number 2. This is the new chapter. Its name is Windows 7. Windows 7. Windows 7 is an operating system. The version is 7. Operating system. Operating system is the most important part of a computer that acts as a medium for the interaction with hardware with the use of software. Means we can interact with any hardware devices like keyboard, mouse, computer, and we are using software to do the task. Without operating system, we can't even start a computer. It manages all the activity of a computer. Now in this chapter we will study in starting Windows 7 features. First thing is desktop. What is desktop? Actually desktop is the first screen that comes when we start a computer. When we start a computer, so the first screen that we see is known as desktop. Next one is taskbar. Taskbar is the lowermost bar present on the desktop. It is known as taskbar. It includes 4 parts. First is Windows Start button, second is Quick Launch bar, third is Main taskbar, and fourth is the System tray. Now, what are the uses of these 4 parts? First part, it opens the Start menu. Second part contains shortcuts to some commonly used applications. Like some applications we are using commonly, means mostly we are using these applications, so we will keep these all in the quick launch taskbar. The third part is main taskbar. It displays icons for all open application and files. The fourth part is system tray. It includes clock and the icons for some programs, etc. Next is sneak feature. What is it? This feature shows you on the taskbar a preview of windows that are open. Suppose you have opened 3 windows, an Excel window, Word window, and calculator window, and you want to see these all at once. So what you will do for it? So you will use window plus tab, alt plus tab key, and in this way, by switching one time you will press alt plus tab, the first window will open. Again you will press alt plus tab, then other window will. You will not release the alt key, you will just press the tab key again and again to open the next windows. Next is arrow flip feature. This feature shows you what's happening in all other open windows on the computer system. The difference between these two, they are similar, but there is a slight difference between sneak and arrow flip. Sneak shows many windows related to a particular icon on the taskbar. It shows you the icon. And arrow flip, it shows many windows of all the open windows arranged in order, showing descent on the top. The shortcut for sneak is alt plus tab key, and the shortcut for arrow flip is window plus tab key. Next one is shake feature. If you are working in a window in restore mode and are getting confused by other windows in background, so what you will do for it? You will use shake feature. It helps to minimize all open windows and accept active window. Means only active window will open, other will get minimized. So how to do it? To do it, click and hold mouse button on the title bar of window you are working on. Now shake the mouse sideways, then it will minimize the open windows. Only active window will be open there. Next feature is snap feature. This feature is used to compare two files by keeping them in front. Mainly when we try to compare, then we keep the things in front to make the best comparison between the both. So suppose you are having 2 files, Excel file and Word file, and you want to compare these two. So how you will do? So click and hold title bar of one of the 2 required windows. Any of the required window title bar you will click. Then hold it and move the mouse pointer left to right of the screen and release it. Both window will occupy the half part of the desktop, and you can compare the data among both easily. Next one is jump list. Jump list allows you to view recent elements in a program that is pinned to taskbar. Suppose you have opened Word file and you want to know how many Word files have been opened and created. So for this all you will use jump list. How? Right click on any program icon, it will show you all recent documents in that particular program. Next is control panel. It is used to control and modify many features of Windows 7 on your computer. How to open it? So to open it you will use start menu and then you will click on control panel. Control panel window provides options for different hardware and software setting. The different setting, one of the setting is system and security. It is used to set overall operations and security of Windows 7. Second is hardware and sound. It is used to adjust setting of hardware devices like keyboard, mouse, etc. and sound setting of the computer. Next is programs. It is used to install and uninstall any computer program. Next one is appearance. It is used to adjust the visual effects of your computer screen. Next one is date and time setting. This is used to set the date and time of the computer according to you. Okay, thank you.